Welcome back to Shula's Hairstyles, your go-to destination for beautiful, practical, and trending hairstyles for modern women. Today's video is very special, especially for my busy moms, working women, and anyone who simply does not have time to be styling hair every single morning. We're diving into the best protective hairstyles for 2026, styles that are not only trending but designed to make your life easier while keeping you looking elegant and confident. Let's start with one of the most loved and timeless styles, knotless braids. Knotless braids continue to dominate in 2026 because they are lightweight, natural-looking, and gentle on the scalp. Unlike traditional braids, they don't pull too tightly, which makes them perfect for long-term wear. Busy moms especially love this style because once it's done, you can style it in multiple ways: buns, ponytails, or just let it flow naturally. Another beautiful and practical option is cornrows. Cornrows are the definition of low maintenance. They're neat, close to the scalp, and can last for weeks with proper care. In 2026, we're seeing more creative cornrow designs, from simple, straight-back styles to more detailed patterns that still maintain a clean and classy look. For moms who need something quick, neat, and professional, cornrows are always a top choice. Now let's talk about box braids. Box braids are perfect if you want something versatile and long-lasting. They are ideal for women who want to install a style and forget about daily hair stress. You can dress them up or down, and they work perfectly for both casual and formal settings. Twists are also making a strong statement this year. Whether it's Senegalese twists, passion twist, or two-strand twist, these styles offer a softer, more natural appearance. They're also lighter than braids, which makes them more comfortable for long wear. For moms who prefer something even simpler, let's not forget about wigs as protective styling options. A good wig allows you to protect your natural hair underneath while still switching up your look whenever you want. Another trending option in 2026 is the combination of braids and curls. This hybrid style gives you the structure of braids with the softness and beauty of curls. It's feminine, stylish, and perfect for women who want a more glamorous, protective style. Now, here's something very important: maintenance. No matter which style you choose, maintaining your scalp is key. Keep your scalp moisturized, avoid excessive tension, and protect your hair at night with a satin bonnet or scarf. Busy moms, this is where you win. Protective hairstyles are not just about looking good. They are about saving time, reducing stress, and protecting your natural hair while you focus on your daily responsibilities. As you're watching, take note of the styles you love the most, because your next hairstyle should not just be beautiful, it should fit your lifestyle. And if you found value in this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another busy mom who needs hairstyle inspiration. Now let's continue with more stunning styles that are trending right now in
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shula's hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails. Soft like sunshine, bold like fire. Every strand you slay, you lift them higher. From roots to ends, with love and care in every twist and braid. You're so braids that shine under summer skies. Shula's touch makes every heart rise. up in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win.